Introducing the latest addition to the Active Pro smartwatch lineup, the Cool+ Connect box set. Available in 3 different colors. Each box set comes with 2 additional silicone bands, with this particular model accompanied by a blue, maroon and grey band. With a larger touchscreen and a round case design, wearing this one feels more like a traditional watch, but with all the benefits of a great smartwatch. Being a fitness watch, this new model includes a wide array of workout modes, as you can see here. A dedicated menu for these modes is accessed with the press of the top button, and after you've selected your activity, it'll count down and begin tracking your heart rate and calories burned. Once you're done sweating it out, you can end the workout and save that data for further review in the app. So, speaking of the app, let's connect the watch to your mobile. The app that goes with this watch is named Fit Cloud Pro and is available for iOS and Android devices. After you've signed up, it's time to pair them together. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned on and navigate to the device menu in the app. Hit Add Device and search for nearby connections. Once your connection has popped up, just tap that and you're ready to go. Once you're all connected up, your workout information is transferred to the phone for further review. Of course, you can make and receive calls through the watch, but make sure to add your favorite contacts through the app so you can quickly call them with the contact person feature. You also need to turn this headphone setting on so that audio will come through. There's a speaker embedded in the watch and the microphone included is crystal clear. Through this app, you can also change heaps of settings, including adding different watch faces. They're all free to download and there's literally dozens to choose from. Between the custom dials and the extra silicone bands, there are hundreds of styles and combinations, so you can select the right vibe for whatever outfit you've got on. Like I said, build quality is top notch for this new model. We have a stainless steel case here, which adds a nice touch of elegance. It's not very heavy, and actually it fits really well on my wrist and doesn't get in the way of sleeves thanks to its low profile. The silicone band is comfy, easily adjustable, and can be quickly swapped out with these quick release pins, as shown here. The 3 buttons on the case have a really nice click to them, and the touchscreen is responsive and bright. Functions available from the watch face include swiping up to see any notifications you may have missed, swiping from the right to quickly see your daily step counter, calories burned and distance traveled. Swiping down from the top gives access to some settings and even a Find My Phone feature. And finally, swiping from the left shows this little quick menu that shows any recently used apps. So overall, the Active Pro Cool+ Connect is a well-rounded smartwatch with plenty of functions, great build quality, and the ability to rock many different looks with the extra bands and custom watch faces. If you're looking for an everyday workout companion, look no further than the Active Pro range. Available online at watchdepot.com.au. Just click the link in the description. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and a share, and thanks for watching.